In a vibrant and diverse elementary school, a group of children in Mrs. Johnson's class were known for their exceptional behavior and eagerness to learn. These children, from different racial, ethnic, and socioeconomic backgrounds, had formed a strong bond with each other and with their teacher. As the day began, the children would greet Mrs. Johnson with a smile and a respectful "Good morning." They would then take their seats, eager to start the day's lessons. Throughout the class, they would listen attentively to Mrs. Johnson's instructions, ask thoughtful questions, and complete their activities with great care. Later that day, during a health class, Mrs. Johnson asked the children, "How does exercise help us?" A boy named Jake raised his hand. "Exercise helps us stay healthy and strong." "That's right, Jake," Mrs. Johnson said. "Exercise provides many benefits for our bodies and minds." The children nodded, taking in the information. Mrs. Johnson continued, "Exercise is an important part of a healthy lifestyle." The children smiled, eager to get moving and exercise. As the school year drew to a close, the children reflected on what they had learned. Maria said, "I learned that plants need sunlight to grow because it provides them with energy for photosynthesis." Jake added, "I learned that exercise is important for our health and well-being. It helps us stay strong, happy, and focused." One student, a quiet and curious girl named Maria, would often ask insightful questions during lessons. "Mrs. Johnson, can you explain why plants need sunlight to grow?" she asked one day. Mrs. Johnson smiled. "That's a great question, Maria. Plants need sunlight to grow because it provides them with the energy they need to undergo photosynthesis." "Photosynthesis?" Maria repeated, intrigued. "Yes," Mrs. Johnson explained. "Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to produce glucose and oxygen." The children nodded, fascinated by the explanation. They asked follow-up questions, eager to learn more about the process. Later that day, during a discussion on a current event, a boy named Jake expressed his opinion on the topic. "I think we should focus on reducing waste and recycling more," he said. A girl named Sophia disagreed with Jake's opinion. "I understand where you're coming from, Jake, but I think we should focus on reducing our carbon footprint by using public transportation and carpooling." Mrs. Johnson smiled, encouraging the discussion. "That's a great point, Sophia. Can you explain why you think reducing our carbon footprint is more important?" Sophia thought for a moment before responding. "Well, I think that reducing our carbon footprint will have a bigger impact on the environment in the long run." Jake nodded, considering Sophia's perspective. "I see what you mean, Sophia. But I still think reducing waste and recycling more is important too." Mrs. Johnson intervened, guiding the discussion. "I think we can all agree that both reducing waste and reducing our carbon footprint are important." The children nodded, smiling at each other. They continued the discussion, sharing their thoughts and ideas, and learning from each other's perspectives. As the school year drew to a close, the children reflected on what they had learned. Maria said, "I learned that plants need sunlight to grow because it provides them with energy for photosynthesis." Jake added, "I learned that it's okay to disagree with someone's opinion as long as we do it respectfully." Sophia said, "I learned that listening to other people's perspectives can help us learn and grow." Mrs. Johnson beamed with pride, knowing that her students had learned valuable lessons that would stay with them for a lifetime.